What is going on, you lot? This is Mohnish. You're watching Silly Shades, and today I'm going to tell you what you have to keep in mind before flying a drone in India. Let's do this. Now, before December 1st, the use of civilian drones was very unregulated in India. So, on August 2018, the new rules were announced, and on December 1st, these rules were implemented. And today, I'm going to make the work easy for you and brief you up on what you have to keep in mind before flying a drone. Now, keep in mind, these are laws, and violation of these laws will result in bad consequences, including penalty. Now, there are 5 categories of drones in India. The first one is the nano category, which includes the small drones which are less than or equal to 250 grams in weight. Then the next category is the micro category, which includes drones from 250 grams to 2 kg. Then there is the small category of drones, which includes drones from 2 kg to 25 kg. Then there is the medium category of drones, which includes drones from 25 kg to 150 kg. And then there is large category of drones, which includes drones that are greater than 150 kg. Now this might seem complicated, but all we have to worry about is the nano category and the micro category, and most of the DJI commercial drones fall into the micro category, which is from 250 grams to 2 kg, and those mini toy drones fall into the nano category. Now these are the 6 general rules that you have to keep in mind before flying a drone in India. The first one is the unique identification number that your drone will need. Now this applies to all drones except the ones that fall in the nano category. Now what is a unique identification number? It is like a number plate on a vehicle, and this unique identification number has to be obtained by registering the drone online, and the link where you can register your drone will be in the description below. And the fees of this unique identification number will be around 1000 rupees, and there will also be a label that you have to stick on the drone which indicates your drone has a unique identification number. Now the second rule is you will require a permit when you're flying a drone which comes under the micro category above 200 feet in height. Now I think 200 feet is more than enough for all cinematic shots, so you don't need to worry. The third rule is line of sight. You have to maintain the visual line of sight of the drone at all times while flying a drone. The drone cannot go out of your line of sight, and that is a very sensible rule, क्योंकि अब बहुत लोगों में क्या कीड़ा होता है कि हमको टेस्ट करना है कितना दूर हमारा ड्रोन जाता है, and that doesn't make sense at all. It's very risky. So yeah, thank God they have a rule for that now. The fourth rule is that you can't fly the drone above 400 feet. Now remember the second rule, if you're flying a drone that falls into the micro category, you can't as it is fly above 200 feet without a permit, and the permits, as I've heard, are very costly. So the fifth rule is that you can't fly your drones in no-fly zones, which obviously includes areas near airports, military installations, international borders, strategic locations, state secretarial complex in state capitals, and the Vijay Chowk in Delhi. Now the sixth rule doesn't apply to most of us, which is permission to fly in a controlled airspace, which can be obtained by filing a flight plan and obtaining an air defense clearance and a FIC number, which I don't give a about, so let's not talk about it. Now your drone has to meet some requirements when it comes to flying the drone, which includes GPS return to home, anti-collision light, ID plate, a flight controller with flight data logging capability. Now all 5 are there in most DJI drones. And the sixth one is the India's no permission, no takeoff policy, which is also called NPNT. Now what is the no permission, no takeoff policy in India? Basically it means that before every flight, the pilot has to obtain a permission from a mobile app that if that person can take off their drone. If they don't get the permission, their drone won't even take off. Now the DJI apps are expected to get a update which includes the no permission, no takeoff policy of India. This permission is taken from the Digital Sky platform, and this is to monitor the airspace, which is obviously safe. And if in case of emergency, you will also be told to land the aircraft, which is very clever. Now in this Digital Sky platform, users are required to do one-time registration of the drones, pilots and owners. Now this Digital Sky platform details and the further details will be available on the DGCA website, and I'll be putting the link of the website in the description below. Now keep in mind, the foreigners are not allowed to fly drones in India. For commercial purposes, they need to lease their drone to an Indian entity, which will obtain a unique identification number and UAOP from DGCA. After that, they can get their drone shots. Also keep in mind that the operation of the drones with the unique identification number will start from January 1st. You are not allowed to fly the drone before that. So that's it for the video, guys. Thank you for watching. Hope I cleared your doubts about the drone laws in India. So if you like the video, do hit the like button. If you love the video, do hit the subscribe button. And if you're hitting the subscribe button, why not hit the notification icon to get notified every time I upload a video. And I will see you guys in my next one. So the fifth rule is that you can't fly your drones in no-fly zones, which obviously includes areas near airports, military installations, international borders, state secretarial. Okay, I'm a human. Okay, state secretarial.